Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick and yummy custard. Mix together 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of corn flour.
So now you want to heat up the rest of the milk, so add it in. So now add in your corn flour and milk mixture. And you just want to add just a little bit of salt. And then you just want to bring this up to a gentle boil. Put your egg yolks in the bowl, and then you want to put in your caster sugar. And then you want to whisk this. So I've whisked together my egg yolks and caster sugar, and then I'm just going to pour in the warm milk into this mixture. I'm going to put it back in the pan and return it back on the heat until it begins to thicken. Now pour it back in.
Stir your custard to make sure that there are no lumps remaining. You can also use a metal whisk to remove any lumps in your custard.
That is some amazing custard. It looks so lovely and smooth and gorgeous, and it was so simple to make. Oh my goodness, that is so smooth and it looks so yummy.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can hit the like button and please subscribe.